Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow an apple tree from an apple you have at home. It's super simple and fun. Let's get started. First, pick a fresh apple, remove the stem, and use a knife to cut a small hole at the top of the apple. We're getting ready for an exciting step. Next, you'll need a clove of garlic. Garlic helps prevent the apple from rotting while it's planted. Just cut a small piece from the garlic clove. Place the garlic piece into the hole in the apple and then cover it with a slice of aloe vera. Aloe helps keep the moisture in and protects the apple from bacteria. Now get a small pot filled with loose, fertile soil. Make a small hole in the soil where the apple can rest. Place the apple into the hole, gently cover it with soil, and give it a good watering. It's simple and effective. Just wait for it to grow. Make sure to feed the plant with some nutrients. Mix NPK fertilizer with water and pour it into the pot. This will help your apple tree grow even faster. Finally, cover the pot with the top half of a plastic bottle. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, keeping the moisture and temperature stable for the growing plant. Wow! After 31 days, the apple tree has sprouted green leaves and its roots have developed nicely. Isn't this result amazing? ensure the tree stays healthy and strong. Regular care is the key. Isn't it incredible to grow an apple tree from just an apple? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our useful videos. See you next time.